Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Automart. It's a frosty day today, but we're bringing you this 2016 66 plate BMW X1 2 litre 18D SE Auto sDrive, sitting on 57,832 miles. This car comes packed full of optional extras at a total cost of £3,140, and we're sitting on top of those 17-inch 5-spoke alloys there. We've got sport auto transmission in this car. We've got your park assist with reversing camera, cruise control with collision warning and brake function. We've got extended lighting pack in this car as well, so you get all your ambient lighting on the interior. That stunning metallic paint finish. Electric folding mirrors, they are heated with integrated indicators. Your daytime running automatic headlights. Got engine start stop function, keyless push to go button, key operated tailgate, and those rain sensing windscreen wipers. So while we're at the back of the vehicle here guys, I will show you that key entry tailgate. Push of a button, tailgate will open. As we go inside, we'll find your tri-folding floor with extra storage underneath, spare wheel kit, first aid kit there. We've got your pockets to the right and a pocket to the left, 12-volt battery, and we've also got your seat folding buttons there. If I drop the parcel shelf, we'll see that 40, 20, 40 folding front chairs, and they drop down. Push to close. As I drop the seats this side, we're heading to this side of the vehicle, and we'll fold these seats back up. We also have on the centre a fold down armrest for your passengers with cup holders. We've got your Isofix seating here and that stunning grey interior. To the rear you do have another 12-volt pack there. Pockets to the rear of each seat. You've got your electric windows and storage for the back users. Going around we find that body coloured shark fin aerial. And we'll jump in the front. So guys, as we're jumping in the front, we'll find your door card to have all the electric windows and mirror operation there. Tailgate operation. All your light settings there. Start the car up. We'll show you some of the features. So that was the push to start button there. Does all its temperature checks. There's your media display. Dual zone air conditioning. We've got your CD player there as well. Little storage unit here with cup holders. Sport auto transmission. Traction control. And your parking assist. Electric brake. And your multimedia controls there. Small little storage in the armrest, your auxiliary cable in, and your USB cable. Having a look at this BMW leather 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with your paddle shifters. Got your indicators and your wipers. 57,832 miles. So as we go into the multimedia stations, we do have your radio, which is 4 DAB. I'll head back. You can connect your telephone via Bluetooth. We have your navigation with a colour screen map there. Back we go, and back again. Connected drive, Vehicle information, this is where you can find out your service history on the car and access your sport displays. And I said full service history in the ad, so we go down to service requirements. We will service the vehicle before you receive the car. As you can see, 2018 to 2021 on there. So guys, if you have any questions about the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call. If you'd like to know more about financing the vehicle or reserving the vehicle, you can do this by giving us a call or by reserving online for just £100. If you want to take the car for a test drive, we do have the keys here, and we can be found down here on Disley Close, right there in between our Honda Superbike Centre, our Blackpool Automart dealership, and across the road you'll find our Honda flagship dealership. We've got on-site servicing and MOT bays, and an on-site body shop and valeting team. Upon purchase of any vehicle here at Blackpool Automart, you will receive a full valet and also a full service. So please guys, do come down and visit us. Plenty of frostbitten cars to find today. Thanks again guys.